This is how to install a Google Chrome extension. In order to do so, you need to make sure that you are using Google Chrome browser and that you are logged in with a Google account. I'm going to show you how to install Google Translate. I have gone to chrome.google.com/webstore. Extensions are like mini apps for your browser. So I'm going to type in Google Translate here to find the extension that I want. I'm going to make sure I select the Google one. And you'll see here there is an option to add to Chrome. I'm going to click that. And it will ask me, do I want to add the extension? I'm going to say yes. Now you will see in the corner here that it has now been added to my toolbar. That's all it takes.